difficult time is resilience. So we are in geopolitical conflict. We have trade war. We have wars even. Really, and we are Europe is squeezed basically between this in this situation. So and resilience is very important. So resilience means that we should be self-relying on ourselves. We have to get access to supply. We need to have our control over production, about critical raw material supply and food, energy, security, everything. And robotic is really the key element. So we would like to get factories back to Europe, have robots helping us to build factories back, which was like the offshoring that we have in the few decades. We would like to reshore those factories, but we would like also to use robots as a catapult for supply chain, because when you have factories in Europe building robots, so you have also people building batteries, other building motors, other building semiconductors, other making software, material. So you are basically triggering different production in Europe. And in the last years, we see that many European companies were sold, acquired either by Americans, Japanese, or Chinese. So we are losing basically ground. So it's more than just technology. It's really like a tool that we have, or an ecosystem that help us to develop our resilience. And in the panel that we had, it was resilience in terms of supply, but also security defense, because we need also to be able to develop tools that can help us to defend ourselves. We need also to develop our economy and try to find jobs for the next generation, and then robotics can be the catapult for this. Yeah.